Instagram has added a new feature that allows users to post countdowns on their Instagram story. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the new Instagram story countdown sticker. Now let's get started. To begin, open Instagram and start making a story post as you normally would. Then tap the sticker icon at the top. Select the countdown sticker. Type in a name for your countdown. Then tap the zeros to set the date you're counting down to. If you want to set a specific time, tap the switch at the bottom labeled All Day. Then use the sliders to set the exact date and time you want to count down to. Change the color of your countdown by tapping the color icon at the top. When you're finished, tap Done in the top right corner. Add any other text or stickers you want on your post. Then tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. When your friends view your story, they can tap the countdown sticker and select Share Countdown to share it on their own story, or select Remind Me to get a notification when your countdown ends. You'll be notified if anyone turns on a reminder or shares your countdown to their own story. That's everything you need to know about Instagram's new countdown sticker feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.